Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Jesus, the Lion of Judah. So, calling Jesus, the Lion of Judah, proclaims his royal authority, unstoppable power, and victorious rule promised from the tribe of Judah. In Genesis chapter 49 verse 10, God declares that the scepters will not depart from Judah, pointing forward to a king whose dominion will never end. Jesus is that promised lion. He conquers sin, defeats evil, protects his people, and establishes God's righteous kingdom on earth and in our hearts. His kingship brings courage, hope, and confidence that no enemy can overturn his reign. So ayon po sa Genesis 49:10, the scepter will not depart from Judah, nor the ruler's staff from between his feet, until he to whom it belongs shall come, and the obedience of the nations shall be his. So, ayun po sa ating katuruan, the scepter shall not apart from Judah. Ibig sabihin, hindi nawawala ang leadership at authority mula sa tribe ni Judah. Sa Biblia, ang scepter ay simbolo ng hari, kaya prophecy ito na mula sa lahi ni Judah manggagaling ang tunay at pinaka makapangyarihang hari, si Jesus. Next is the Shiloh whom owns the scepter will come. So, ang Shiloh ay tumutukoy sa Mesiyas, ang tagapagligtas ng may karapatan na sa scepter. Siya ang tunay na may-ari ng trono. Ito ay nagpapakita ng darating ang isa na may divine authority, at ito ay natupad kay Jesus Christ. Next is the obedience of the nation is his. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng bansa, lahat ng tao sa mundo ay tinatawag sumunod, pagpasakop kay Jesus. Siya ang hari ng lahat, hindi lang ng Israel, kundi ng buong mundo. Darating ang panahon na every knee will bow at declare siya bilang Panginoon. Sa applications naman, rejoice that you have come to know Jesus, rescue the lost through the gospel, and render faithful service to King Jesus. And ay lang po, maraming salamat.